is coming in. Well, it's good to see two old friends. We met many, many times in Afghanistan for long hours, and they're welcome here. They've had a chance to meet with all the major players in the administration, from the Secretary of Defense to the CIA across the board, and it's good to have them here in the White House. The partnership between Afghanistan and the United States is not ending. It's going to be sustained, and you know, our troops may be leaving, but support for Afghanistan is not ending in terms of support and maintenance of their helping to maintain their military, as well as economic and political support. And they've got very difficult jobs. Every time I think I've got a tough job, I think Mr. President. But seriously, they're doing important work, trying to bring about unity among Afghan leaders across the board, and Afghans are going to have to decide their future, what they want. It won't be for the lack of us being helped. There's going to be the senseless violence that has to stop, so it's going to be very difficult. But we're going to stick with you, and we're going to do our best to see to it you have the tools.
Well, thank you, Mr. President. First of all, let me pay tribute to the 2,448 Americans who take the ultimate sacrifice. Over 1 million American veterans who've served with honor and dignity for your security and our freedom. The United States has not spared any effort in blood or treasure during these years, and as a grateful nation, I want to acknowledge that and ask you to thank the Gold Star families. Second, President Biden's decision has been historic. It has made everybody recalculate and reconsider. We are here to respect it and support it. Third, we're entering into a new chapter of our relationship where the partnership with the United States would not be military, but comprehensive regarding our mutual interest. And we're very encouraged and satisfied that this partnership is taking place. Thank you for ordering the priorities. The Afghan nation is an 1861 moment, like President Lincoln, rallying to the defense of the Republic, determined that the Republic is defended. It's a choice of values, the values of an exclusionary system or an inclusionary system. We're determined to have unity, coherence, national sense of sacrifice, and will not spare it. Just for your information, today, the Afghan Defense and Security Forces have retaken 6 districts, both in the south and the north. It's showing our determination. So I hope that nobody does the Bernard Shaw on us, exaggerating our debt before something has happened. Let us understand that in moments of great transition, things happen, but you will see that with determination, with unity, and with the partnership, we will overcome all odds. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all.